Hey dreamers, back to my channel, and am back with another unboxing, or should I say unbagging, of another Pop Mart item. This item also comes from Mercari, and it is, I think it's a demo. I've been ordering so much, I don't know what's coming. I am super excited to take a look. They packaged it really well. They got good bubble wrap and even have some fragile stickers on there. All right, so let's see what I've got. And get in there. Yes, this is part of Demo World. Okay, yes, and it is Mickey TV show. So it has these two pieces here that you set up like this. Let's take a look at him. Oh, he's so cute. I love it. He's so cute. He's so cute. Yeah, he's in very good condition. I like the pink. They have the plush ones of Demo World. And Mickey, I think the Mickey one is the secret for the plush. But this is how he sits on there. It is so cute.